जी, मैं फ़ैसल नियाज़ तरमिज़ी हूँ, काउंसिल जनरल ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन शिकागो। और आज यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान का 69th यौम आज़ादी मनाया जा रहा है। और यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि डेयरी प्लाज़ा शहर का एक मरकज़ है, जहाँ पे बड़ी तादाद में पाकिस्तानी, अमेरिकन्स और दूसरी एशियाई कम्युनिटीज़ शामिल होंगी। ये बहुत अहम दिन है क्योंकि आज पाकिस्तान में बहुत आप इकॉनमी है, इट हैज़ टेकन अ न्यू लीप। अगर आप लेटेस्ट आर्टिकल्स पढ़ें फॉर्च्यून के और न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स के, दे हैव टाउटेड पाकिस्तान एज द वन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट इमर्जिंग मार्केट्स इन एशिया। ऑलरेडी हमारा कराची स्टॉक एक्सचेंज हैज़ बीन द सेकंड बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक्स मार्केट इन द वर्ल्ड फॉर द लास्ट 5 years। और यहाँ पे जो पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी है 2.5 लाख की, उनकी बड़ी सिग्निफिकेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन है। सबसे बड़ा नाम तो ऑफकोर्स शाहिद खान का है, हु हैज़ अ फॉर्च्यून 500 कंपनी बेस्ड इन अरबाना शैम्पेन। पर उसके अलावा भी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पाकिस्तानी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स लाइक खान सिद्दीकी, हु हैज़ अ बिग हेल्थ स्टार्टअप हिगी इंटरनेशनल। फिर यहाँ पे डॉक्टर टीपू सदीक हैं, who is a professor of neurology at Northwestern University, और वो ब्रेक थ्रू रिसर्च कर रहे हैं ALS डिज़ीज़ पे। इसके अलावा दे आर 2 young Pakistani students, Farhan and Asif, who have raised $7 million in the city of Chicago, and they are started a new application network। तो आजकल की ये 9 अगस्त से सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट हुई हैं मिड वेस्ट में, और 9 अगस्त से लेकर 29 अगस्त तक there are 32 celebrations in different parts of the Midwest। शिकागो में, बोलिंगब्रुक में, डिट्रॉयट में, मिशिगन में, इंडियानापोलिस में, कैंसस सिटी में, मिनियापोलिस में, क्लीवलैंड में। तो इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। और यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि अभी सेलिब्रेशन शुरू नहीं हुई और ये सीटें भरनी शुरू हो गई हैं। तो इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट फेस्टिविटी for all Pakistani Americans and for all Americans to celebrate the 69th independence of Pakistan in Chicago।
आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मेरे लिए बहुत ऑनर की बात है कि मैं शिकागो में इस वक्त 14 अगस्त के सिलसिले में जो सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है मैं मौजूद हूँ। और जहाँ तक मेरी आवाज़ पहुँच रही है, मैं ये बताना बहुत ज़रूरी चाहूँगा कि मेरा नाम अमजद राना है और मैं पाकिस्तान से स्पेशली इन्हीं प्रोग्राम के लिए 14 अगस्त के सिलसिले में आया हुआ हूँ। और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पर जो हमारे हमवतन पाकिस्तानी है, मैं उनके दरमियान परफॉर्म करूँगा आज पाकिस्तानी सॉन्ग जो कि अमजद हुसैन भाई का गाया हुआ है। ये तेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है। तो आपको अपने वतन की खुशबू इसमें नज़र आएगी, जो कि चारों सूबों को जो है मैं आप लोगों के सामने लेकर आऊँगा। और इंशाल्लाह मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लग रहा होगा। तो यही मेरी दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला पाकिस्तान को ता क़यामत दाइम और कायम रखे। ये मेरी दुआ है। थैंक यू।
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and thank you for joining us actually on a really lovely afternoon. The weather has just turned out perfectly. There are the Consul General, Honoured Consul General, and various guests. Thank you so much for coming. Before we start, I do actually want us all to wish our dear Consul General a very happy birthday today. It is his birthday. Maybe we can sing happy birthday when we cut the cake later. And to start the official part of the program, I'd like to quote something from Muhammad Ali Jinnah when Pakistan was formed. And while we may think that this is a hackneyed phrase, and while we may think that it's been repeated many, many times, in my mind it is a prayer that was uttered when he formed Pakistan, and it is one that is more relevant today than it has ever been. He said when Pakistan was formed, "You are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosques. You are free to go to any other place of worship in this state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion or caste or creed. That has nothing to do with the business of the state. We are starting in the days where there is no discrimination, no distinction between one community and another, no discrimination between one caste or creed and another. We're starting with this fundamental principle that we are all citizens of this one state. You will find that in the course of time, Hindus will cease to be Hindus and Muslims will cease to be Muslims. Not in the religious sense, because that is a personal faith to each individual, but in the political sense, as citizens of the state. And with that, all I can say is God bless Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad. And at this stage, I would like to invite Mr. Ali Khan to come up and start the program with a recitation from the Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان صدق الله العظيم. The most affectionate taught the Quran to his beloved. He created Muhammad, the soul of humanity. He taught him speech regarding whatever had already happened and whatever will happen. The sun and moon are according to a reckoning, and the green plants and trees prostrate, and the sky Allah has elevated and set the balance.
Thank you, Ali. Now we will have the singing of the national anthem by Ms. Serena.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
And at this point, Mr. Consul General and all of you, I would welcome you to come to the flag hoisting, which we're going to move over to the flag poles right there. So please come and join us for the flag hoisting. At this point, I will would like to, we've had many messages and well wishes from all offices of the state. And a few of them are here today. Representatives of a few public offices are here today to read us messages from various spaces. First of all, I would like to ask the representative of Attorney General Natalie Lasko to come up to deliver her message.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everybody. Dear Council Court, dear Council General, Pakistani American community, elected officials, governmental agencies, and dear friends. I have a message from the Attorney General Lisan Madigan. First, Salam Alaikum, Pakistan. Dear Council General Mr. Niaz Tirmizi and Mrs. Niaz Tirmizi. As an Attorney General of Illinois, I want to offer congratulations to you and the people of Pakistan on the celebration of your country's Independence Day. Pakistanis here in Illinois and around the world can take a great pride in their country as the nation celebrates their anniversary of independence on August 14. The Pakistani community is vibrant and important part of Chicago and Illinois. I know Pakistani nationals feel much joy today in this celebration. I am very appreciative of all you and your staff do to help all the visitors as well as those living in Illinois and the Midwest. Happy Independence Day 2015. Very to Lisan Madigan, Attorney General, Pakistan.
At this stage, I would like to invite up Claire Gilbertson, who is here to represent Senator Mark Kirk.
Hello. I'm going to read a message from the United States Senator, Mr. Mark Kirk. Dear friends, it is my distinct pleasure to congratulate the Pakistani American community as you celebrate Pakistani Independence Day. Thank you for all the work you do to celebrate the rich culture of the Pakistani Americans. Congratulations again to all those celebrating Pakistani Independence Day, and best wishes for a very successful event. It is an honor to represent you in the United States Senate. Sincerely, Mark Stephen Kirk of the United States Senate.
As the Pakistani American community here in Chicago, we're very fortunate to be supported by both the senators and congressmen, both nationally and locally. And so we're very fortunate. Every year, Senator Kirk does send us a message, regardless of how busy he is. So it's just, it's lovely to have him represented here. Next, a very, very dear friend of the Pakistani community here in Chicago is the mayor of Bolingbrook. And at this stage, I would like to ask Mr. Talat Rashid to come up with a message from the mayor.
Okay, I have the message from the mayor of Bolingbrook, Roger Clare. Whereas 14th of August 1947, Pakistan's Independence Day, to celebrate the 69th anniversary, the Pakistani American community in the Chicago metropolitan area holds several activities during the month of August, which includes cultural festivals, symposiums, a parade, to share its pride and joy with a fellow citizen. And whereas the Pakistani American community in the Chicago metropolitan area is very productive, hardworking, and strives to make positive contributions toward their progress, development in many fields, especially in medicine, science, and education. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize these efforts and to share commemorating the principles of independence, self-determination, liberty, and values that are shared by the United States and free nations. Now, therefore, I, Roger C. Clare, Mayor of the Board of Trustees, the Village of Bolingbrook, Will, DuPage County, Illinois, do hereby proclaim August 14, 2015 as Pakistan Day in Chicago metropolitan area and urge everyone to join this celebration and their anniversary. Signed by Major Roger C. Clare.
And keeping the program moving along, I guess we've had one mayor, and I guess we would be derelict in our duty if we didn't welcome an address from our very own Mayor Rahm Emanuel.
Yes, hi, nice to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you, sir. Hello, everybody. Yes, happy to read a letter here from the mayor. As mayor and on behalf of the city of Chicago, it is my pleasure to offer my warmest greetings to the Pakistan community of Chicago as you celebrate the 68th annual Pakistan Day of Independence. The Pakistan Independence Day parade this weekend is an opportunity to spread awareness of Pakistan culture and to commemorate Pakistan's hard-fought independence. I encourage Chicagoans to join with the people of Pakistan in celebrating this momentous day. I'm grateful for the contributions that the Pakistan community of Chicago has made to the culture, civic, and economic life of our city. Chicago and Pakistan share a long history of friendship and cooperation, and we have enjoyed a strong sister city relationship with Lahore since 2007. I hope these relationships will continue to grow and strengthen in the coming years. Thank you to the Consul General for today's events, and I send my best wishes for a wonderful parade this weekend and day of festivities. Sincerely, Mayor Rahm Emanuel. Thank you.
And of course, once we've had Mayor Rahm Emanuel, we must have a representative from the governor, Governor Bruce Rauner, and the person representing Bruce Rauner is Dennis Jang.
Good afternoon. I'm very happy to be here on behalf of Governor Bruce Rauner. He's asked me to pass along the following message to all of you. Greetings. As Governor of the State of Illinois, I am pleased to welcome everyone gathered for the celebration of Pakistan's independence. Pakistani Americans have contributed significantly to the growth, culture, and the development of the state of Illinois. The Pakistani American population is flourishing throughout the state. The Pakistani community's vibrant culture and rich history are a cornerstone of the diverse communities that shape our great state. This occasion offers a wonderful opportunity for Pakistani Americans in Chicago and in Illinois to rejoice in their heritage. In addition, it gives all citizens the chance to embrace Pakistani culture while learning more about the country's history and traditions. It is a truly fitting tribute to the thousands of Pakistanis who call Illinois their home. On behalf of the people of Illinois, I offer my best wishes for an enjoyable and memorable occasion. Sincerely, Bruce Rauner, Governor, State of Illinois.
And at this stage, I would like to welcome to the podium somebody who needs very little introduction. In the 15 years that I've lived here in Chicago, I can honestly say that there hasn't been a Consul General of Pakistan that I have held nearer and dearer to my heart. Please welcome the birthday boy, Faisal Tunzi.
Thank you so much, Nabila. A very warm welcome to the 69th Independence Day of Pakistan. And as was said by Nabila, that
this morning we were expecting some rains, but nature and God has been very kind to us, and we have a sunny day, and we have a big presence. I would like to thank all of you. First of all, I would like to thank representatives of Governor Bruce Rauner, Senator Mark Kirk, Mayor Rahm Emanuel, Mayor Roger C. Clare, and Attorney General Lisa Madigan for their messages on the occasion. Then I would like to convey all of you greetings from President Mahmood Hussain and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. I would also like to especially thank my colleagues from the Consular Corps who have turned up in such mass numbers. But this is a real celebration of 250,000 strong, dynamic and strong Pakistani community in Midwest. I wish you happy Independence Day, each one of you. After the traumatic event of December 17, when 145 children lost their lives in Peshawar, the government of Pakistan has taken a resolute step to fight out the menace of bigotry and hatred from Pakistan. And I am happy to report, after that, the incidents of extremism and terrorism have come down considerably. The latest report by the U.S. Department of Defense cites Pakistan as one of the rare success stories in global-wide fight against terror, whereas the incidents are rising across the world. I must commend the efforts of our valiant soldiers who have laid down their lives to fight this menace. Democracy has taken deep roots in Pakistan. 2013 marked the first transfer peaceful democratic elected of government from one elected government to the other. We've had series of elections for Senate, local bodies, and the democracy is well entrenched. Because of the improved law and order situation, Pakistani economy is also registering a robust growth. This year, Pakistan is expected to reach a target of 5%. The Karachi Stock Exchange has been cited as the second best performing stock exchange in the world for the last 5 years. 3 days ago, issue of New York Times proudly proclaimed that Pakistan will soon come up as the next center of IT. With 12,000 graduates graduating in IT, they are playing a tremendous role in making the revival of Pakistani economy. On this occasion, I would especially like to laud the efforts of the dynamic Pakistani American community all over the US, but I would like to cite some of the leading examples in this beautiful city of Chicago who have made their marks in the field of technology, commerce, education, health, and medicine. Of course, the star performance is, of course, Mr. Shahid Khan, who is the only Pakistani who figures in the Fortune 500 companies, and he is also the owner of Jaguars, and he's based in Urbana, Champaign. The other, of course, we are very happy to have Chaudhry Munir and Chaudhry Rashid, two pioneers of Pakistani industrial presence in the city, who have given employment to hundreds of people in this city. Next is Dr. Tipu Siddique, Professor of Neurology in Northwestern University. He's undertaking cutting-edge research in ALS disease. Then Parveen and Ramzan Dhanji have launched a major company which is into IT. Dr. Khan Siddiqui, the CEO of Higi, has started a startup which is valued at a couple of $100 million in the US. Farhan Masood, the CEO of Solotech, who was declared to be one of the leading innovators in 2013 by Massachusetts Institute of Technology. And of course, two people, Asif Khan and Fahad Aziz, two graduates in Chicago who have raised $7 million to start a company, K-Merge, which is also bringing a lot of change in Chicago. Similarly, companies like Kayak and Groupon have also made their presence in the international scene. Pakistani cinema, Pakistani art, Pakistani fashion has made its presence here. I am very happy to report that this year Pakistan participated in the Chicago Kicks Soccer Cup, and a team of street children from Pakistan, they got the silver medal. It was a great accomplishment for those kids who are working as plumbers, as electricians, and who are homeless. With these achievements, I am sure these are the real bridges between Pakistan and the US. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to a series of celebrations which will continue in Chicago and Midwest till the end of this month. Pakistan, Zindabad.
He's a lot taller than I am. We did have remarks by Jesse White, the Secretary of State, but unfortunately he's running a little late, and so I think what we should do is actually continue with our program, and when the Secretary of State arrives, we can always slot him in. So apologies on his behalf. He was supposed to be slated next, but he's not here just yet, and I know that he would want me to pass on his regrets for being somewhat late. I think at this point we could go to the cake cutting, and then maybe we can, sort of like wait for Jesse White until then. So please come over and join us for the cake cutting ceremony. Taking the photographs, I noticed that there is very few women on the stage. I would love to see some of the ladies up here. After all, Pakistan is peopled by the children of the women of that country, so perhaps we can have some of the young ladies come up here. Anybody? Beulah? Ladies?
का शोर मचा हुआ था दरमियान आने के लिए आप नहीं आए
It's okay, I'm fine.
Cultural presence getting
maybe I can invite the gentleman to exit stage left. Gently invite them to exit stage left so that we can carry on with the rest of the program. And I do believe that before the afternoon is out, I'm going to have a photograph up here with all the women, so just be warned. At this point, the cake's been cut, and I guess they're going to carry on cutting it over there. So we also have a short cultural program that is split up into 4 parts. And I do want to give a heads up to my friend Ari Bazar, who I see in the back, who, as a personal favor to me and the Consul General, you're just going to have to come up here at some point this afternoon. But first of all, I'd like to welcome up here Mr. Robin Sadiq.
आप सबको जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक हो। वतन पाक वतन, है वतन पाक वतन, पाक वतन पाक वतन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन, पाक वतन पाक वतन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन। तुझसे है मेरी तमन्नाओं की दुनिया पर लो, तुझसे है मेरी तमन्नाओं की दुनिया पर लो, अज़्म मेरा कवि मेरे इरादे हैं गयूं, मेरी हस्ती में आना है मेरी मस्ती में शऊर, जाफिशा मेरा तख़य्युल है तो शीरी है सुखन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन, पाक वतन पाक वतन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन। दिन अफरोज बहारों का तरो ताज़ा चमन, तू दिन अफरोज बहारों का तरो ताज़ा चमन, तू महकते हुए फूलों का सुहाना गुलशन, तू नवारेज़ ना दिल का पहाड़ी मस्कन, रंग आहंग से मामूर तेरे को दमन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन, पाक वतन पाक वतन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन। मेरा दिल तेरी मोहब्बत का है जान बख्श गया, मेरा दिल तेरी मोहब्बत का है जान बख्श गया, मेरा सीना तेरी हुर्मत का है संगीन खसा, मेरे महबूब वतन तुझ पे अगर जाऊं निसार, मैं ये समझूंगा ठिकाने लगा सरमाया तन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन, पाक वतन पाक वतन, है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन पाक वतन। Thank you very much. Thank you.
And of course, thank you very much, Robin. No country would be celebrated without its children, and at this point I'd like to invite the children of Pakistan to come up and do a short tableau. But before I do that, I would remind you it's incredibly important to stay hydrated, and we do have water over here, and there's refreshments, there's some cake, but more importantly water. Please stay hydrated. I know it's very warm out here.
पोडियम हटा दें।
पोडियम थोड़ी देर कर दें और फ्लैग को उधर कर दें। फिर अल्लामा इकबाल है, सूबा सिंध, सूबा सरहद, सूबा बलूचिस्तान और सूबा खैबर पख्तूनख्वा। और अब हमारे बच्चे सॉन्ग पेश करेंगे, सूरज करे सलाम चंदा करे सलाम। सब बच्चे तशरीफ ले आए। सूरज करे सलाम चंदा करे सलाम।
Mr. Consul General, if we could have one quick photograph of you with the children on the stage.
सिर्फ बच्चे स्टेज पे रहेंगे, बाकी आ जाए सब बच्चे सिर्फ स्टेज पे रहेंगे।
If we could just have all the kids, hey kids, just all of you guys still stay on stage. Just stay on stage. fit, but forgetting the minorities. And if there is one thing that Pakistan has to offer us, it is the beauty and the grace of our minorities. So I would like to thank the beautiful woman in the back there who gave me her white dupatta. So now I have the white dupatta to represent the minorities of Pakistan. And at this point, I would like to welcome our next performer, who's come all the way from Pakistan, Mr. Amjad Rana.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pakistan! हम पाकिस्तानी, 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 हम पाकिस्तानी। तेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, तेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है। इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। हम पाकिस्तानी, तेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, तेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है। इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। मौज पड़े या आंधी आए दिया जलाए रखना है, घर की खातिर सो दुख झेले घर तो आखिर अपना है। इसकी बुनियादों में है तेरा लहू मेरा लहू। हम पाकिस्तानी, हम पाकिस्तान, इसकी बुनियादों में है तेरा लहू मेरा लहू। इससे तेरी आबरू है, इससे मेरी आबरू, इससे तेरा नाम है, इससे मेरी पहचान है, इससे तेरा नाम है, इससे मेरी पहचान है। इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान कुर्बान। हम पाकिस्तानी, तेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, तेरा पाकिस्तान है ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है। इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। नूरो रंगे वादी ये नूरानिये। हम पाकिस्तानी, हम पाकिस्तान, एक दुआरे नूरो रंगे वादी ये नूरानिये। नूर आँखों का बलूचिस्तान, दिल है सारा हमें पंजाब, दिल है सारा हमें पंजाब सोना। इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान कुर्बान, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, हमें जान कुर्बान। हम पाकिस्तानी, तेरा पाकिस्तान, मेरा पाकिस्तान, तेरा पाकिस्तान, ये मेरा पाकिस्तान। इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान कुर्बान, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान कुर्बान। हम पाकिस्तान, हम पाकिस्तान, हम पाकिस्तान, हम पाकिस्तान, हम पाकिस्तान, 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 पाकिस्तान। Thank you.
Thank you so much. And could I just get a round of applause for the children who are just going to come off stage right now? This way, that way. Thank you. And while the children are coming off stage, Areeb, maybe you would like to come and join us and set up while we guide the children off stage. I'm sorry.
No, this had to be done.
All the kids by the shade. Hello. Take all the
आपको चेयर चाहिए
नहीं मैं खड़ा हूँ
Thank you so much for your patience. There's really only one more individual to welcome, and that is Ari Bazo. So here we go.
Yawm Azadi Mubarak. Happy Independence Day for all Pakistanis, and tomorrow Happy Independence Day for all Indians. गिटार की आवाज आ रही है? I'll sing Damal in praise of perhaps the most famous Sufi saint of Pakistan, Hazrat Usman Marwandi, better known as Shahbaz Qalandar, or the ecstatic dervish. Dariyam Qalandaram Mastam Banda Nawa Ali Murtaza Hastam Peshwae Tamam Vrindanam Sage Kuwe Shahe Yazdanam Daman lagiya Mola main to teri Daman lagiya Mola main to teri Masto mast Qalandar main to teri Masto mast Qalandar main to teri Daman से बड़ी लाल सुन ले मेरा सवाल से बड़ी लाल मैं तो तेरी दामन लगिया मौला मैं तो तेरी मस्तो मस्त कलंदर मैं तो तेरी असलो चोट चढ़िया मुर्शद ऐब भरिया असलो चोट चढ़िया मुर्शद ऐब भरिया असलो चोट चढ़िया मुर्शद ऐब भरिया तू है मेरा लजपाल जी से बड़ी लाल सुन ले मेरा सवाल जी से बड़ी लाल मैं तो तेरी दामन लगिया मौला मैं तो तेरी मस्तो मस्त कलंदर मैं तो तेरी दिल है गोशा नशीन नूरे महफिल मिली दिल है गोशा नशीन नूरे महफिल मिली इस कश्ती ये आस को मौला साहिल मिले इस कश्ती ये आस को मौला साहिल मिले मैं तो तेरी मैं तो तेरी मैं तो तेरी मैं तो तेरी भर भर देंदा जाम साकी मस्त मुदाम भर भर देंदा जाम साकी मस्त मुदाम भर भर देंदा है जाम साथी मस्त मुदाम तू है मेरा लजपाल जी से वही लाल सुन ले मेरा सवाल जी से वही लाल मैं तो तेरी मैं तो तेरी दामन लगियां मौला मैं तो तेरी मस्तो मस्त कलंदर मैं तो तेरी दामन लगियां मौला मैं तो तेरी मस्तो मस्त कलंदर मैं तो तेरी
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you. I just arrived from New York from the airport. Took a train straight here and happened upon this beautiful function. Congratulations, Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you.
One more, Arif. One more. Just one more.
As all of you know, of course, but perhaps for our guests, what I'm wearing is called an ajrak. It comes from the province of Sindh. And there's a beautiful little verse which says, take off the white shawl from your head and cover yourself with the colored one, because the white shawl will show all the stains, whereas the multicolored one will absorb everything. And that's Pakistan. It's a multicultural, multi-layered society which we can celebrate. And the poem in Saraiki goes, Chitti chadar la sat kudiye kar ghin sir telu चिट्टी चादर दाग हजारां लूई विच दाग न कोई. मियां मोहम्मद बख्श का कलाम है.
General Mr. Faisal Nias Termizi, city and state officials and dignitaries, respected guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Ibrahim Khan, and today I would like to take this opportunity to briefly discuss our Pakistan Independence Day, as well as the architect who had marvelously sculpted the beautiful masterpiece we take pride in today as our Pakistan. August 14, 1947. This is the day in which the world had come to witness the brilliance of an individual illuminate the world. This is the day in which an individual's weapons of respect, determination, and honesty had at last fired a bullet that would continue to thunderously reverberate around the globe. This is the day in which a man had given birth to a country that symbolized his valiant efforts, his undying determination, and his true desire to inundate our drought-ridden world with the purest waters of peace, tranquility, and serenity. This is the very day in which Muhammad Ali Jinnah had given birth to the historic nation we know today as the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Thank you very much for listening. Pakistan Zindabad, and God bless America.